How to sign and enter your IRCC account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can sign and enter your IRCC account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser, navigate to the search bar and then type in canada.ca. Canada.ca. Search for it. Select your preferred language. It's going to take you to this website here. Now if you scroll down a bit, here you will find all of the services that is provided. Now to log in into your IRCC account, navigate to top left corner, click on this menu drop down. Here click on Immigration and Citizenship. So from these options here, you can choose one according to your preferences. For now, I will just head towards the My Application. Here again scroll to it, and there is an option as sign in into your IRCC account. Click on it. Scroll down a bit, again you have two options to choose from. Sign in into your existing account or you don't have an account. So to sign in, click on the first option, sign in into your existing account. Again you have to choose from these options here and tell us what your application is for. So according to your account, or select one from here. After that, again you have two options. It says IRCC Secure Account or the IRCC Portal. Head towards the first option here. Now you will be taken into sign-in page. Here you have two options to choose from. You can use your GCKey username and password, or this another method to log in. So choose one according to your preference. If you want to register an account, click on Register for an Account. Select one option from here. Now you'll be directed towards the sign-in portal. Once you're on the sign-in page, enter your username here. Make sure you type in your correct username that is associated with your account. Under that, enter your correct password. In case if you forgot your username or password, there is a link right here. Click on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your account. Once you're done providing your login credentials, all you have to do is click on sign in button, and with that you will be logged in into your IRCC account. That's it. That's how you log in into your IRCC account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.